Guys, today we are making pizza. Join us as we make this pizza, guys. So here is the flour I want to make use of. This is flour. So here is the flour. I will put it inside. I'll put some, not all. I will put some. I will add my dry ingredients. This is salt. Half teaspoon of salt. I will add 2 half spoon of sugar. I put 2 of it. So guys, we are adding our yeast. So I'm using the full. I leave small inside. So I added it and I will mix it together. You can mix it in different ways. So I will add my warm, this is warm milk. So I'll put warm milk. This milk is warm because of the yeast. You have to add warm milk. I will mix it together. So I will add flour too. So we are going to add a little oil. That's groundnut oil to mix it. You can use butter if you want, but I'm using oil. So add a little oil. Mix it very well. So we cover it for 1 hour. So 1 hour we'll be back. I will keep it for in one place. Okay guys, here is it. Let's open it now. You can see our dough. It's very nice. So here is the pan I want to make use of. I have already put oil to rub it. So I will turn it here. You spread it to according to how you need it. As you can see. So this is how I will spread it around. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done spreading it. I will use oil to rub it little before covering it. I don't have the other listing but to use. So I'm using this so that the nylon that I will use will not burn it. So I will leave it here for 40 minutes. So 40 minutes we will be back to work. Okay guys, let's open it so you can take a look. It's rice again, as you can see. That is what I put this in. So we have to, I will have to put it for oven for 10 minutes. So I will put it for oven for 10 minutes, guys. After 10 minutes, we'll add the resties. Okay, guys, as you can see, I don't want to let it over dry. So all we need to do, guys, we have to add our tomatoes. So, guys, we want to add the tomatoes on top. So this one I used it before, the remaining one, so we are using the remaining one. This one is very big. It's a very big. We are done adding the tomatoes. So we add the tuna inside. We add our tuna. So the next thing to do, guys, we add our mozzarella, our formaggio cheese, which is called cheese. Add it a little so that I'm going to bake it for 10 minutes or so. After 10 minutes, I will bring it down. Okay, guys, our pizza is ready. It's ready to eat, guys. As you can see, it's ready